welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. My name is Faith. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do one of my favorite protective styles for length retention, and that is chunky twists. If you guys know me probably from like TikTok for my twists, then you guys already know that I love to do this style for growth. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the style from start to finish, the products that I use and everything. So let's get into it. The first thing that you're gonna need is some water and a spray bottle. I just have some water here and I infuse my water with aloe vera. I just got this aloe vera gel off of Amazon, or you can make your own. I also put a few drops of rosemary essential oil in my water as well. This is totally optional, but my hair soaks up regular water like a sponge, so I just use this mixture to help maintain my moisture for the next few days. For a leave-in, I'm going to be using this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey leave-in milk. Then I'll be using this African Pride flaxseed and shea butter gel and cream. To top it off, I'll be using my DIY oil blend for my scalp and sealing in all of my products. You could use whatever oil you find works for your hair, but this is just a blend of oils that I find work best for my own. Next, you're going to need your detangling tools. I use this comb and also this detangling brush from Dream World. You guys really went crazy for this on TikTok and I absolutely love this brush. It's kind of like a tangle teaser but with a handle. You're also going to need a smoothing brush and some clips. So now it's time to start our style. I'm just starting by taking down my old braid, and this is what my hair looks like. I don't have my hair out too much these days, so I decided to do a quick little length check for you guys. This is what protective styling can do, y'all. Talk about inches. Patience and consistency is all it takes. I'm first starting off by doing a middle part all the way down the center of my head so that my hair is in two halves. Then I'm going to do a second part from the crown of my head to behind my ear on both sides so that my hair is now in 4 quarters. Okay, so I have my hair in a total of 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm just gonna deal with the back first quarter, and this is where I go in and I moisturize my hair with all of my products. So the first thing that we're gonna be using is that water. Water is your main moisturizer, and when you're doing any sort of protective style for health, length, you do wanna make sure that you moisturize your hair properly before you put it away. For this style, you're gonna have a total of 12 parts. Each quarter is going to be separated into 3. So I'm going to separate this into 3. So this is my first section, and I'm just gonna add my products. I like to oil my scalp and my hair last, just because you want to make sure that the oil is sealing in all of your moisture, because oil and water don't mix, so you want to make sure that your hair is hydrated with water first and then putting the oil on top so that moisture doesn't escape. When it comes to moisturizing your hair, think simple and think of it as if you're moisturizing your skin. You know, when you get out of the shower and your skin is wet, it's hydrated. If you don't moisturize it with some sort of oil or lotion, then that water will evaporate away and your skin will be dry again. It's the same thing with your hair. So I use water, products, and then oil to seal it all in. Now I'm going to take my smoothing brush, and I'm just using this for the roots. Make sure that it is flat and smooth. For my chunky twist to last a whole week, I like to go in and braid the roots and then twist the rest. Okay, so first section done. Moving on to the next section, one thing that I wanted to say was make sure you guys are taking time to add your products, making sure you're fully saturating your hair and being gentle. Those are 2 key things when you're looking for hair growth: fully saturating your hair with either water, products, or oil, and being gentle while detangling. I also wanted to show you guys a close-up of what it looks like when I combine the sections, braiding the roots into the twist. It's super easy just combining 2 sections into one. So this is what it looks like with the first 3 sections I have and a quarter of my hair done. Now I'm going to show you guys how I part the front. So for parting the front, I do 3 sections as well. However, they're laid differently. I make one big section by my ear since this part is going to have less hair, and I have 2 different sections at the top of my head where it's wider, so I split it into 2. This also helps make my style look a bit fuller at the front and have my twists lay better with this brick pattern where they're falling in between each other, you guys will see, but it looks really pretty this way when it falls. Okay, so I just finished this side of my head, and as you can see we have 6 parts so far. So we have 1 underneath by our ear, 2 up here, and then the back section just has 1, 2, and 3. So that is how the parting works. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing on the left side of my head and then come back. Finally finished this side. This is what it looks like. Now what I do when I'm all done is I just want to make sure that all of my flyaways are flat and that it dries without frizz. So what I actually do is I go in with a silk scarf and I just fold it into a triangle like this. I use the 2 tails to tie it in the back. Okay, so it's been about half an hour or so, so I'm gonna take my scarf off. And this is what the hair is looking like. How I mainly wear this style is just by using a scrunchie and wearing it in a low bun or a low ponytail. This is a little ponytail, but I'm gonna put it in a bun. So this is the final look. I really love this style. I think it looks super cute and super classy. It could be worn on various occasions. That's why I like to wear it throughout the week. It's also really easy and super beginner friendly, and it took me about an hour and a half to do it just because I'm filming too and everything, but it's super quick as well, which I really like sometimes when I don't have time to do like smaller mini twists and stuff like that. This has been my go-to throughout my journey. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I do this style. If you guys haven't already, definitely check out my other videos and like this video and subscribe. Let me know what other things you guys want to see. I'm working on a lot more hair content, so definitely stick around, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!